Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can create a curved text like this, so you can type a text and shape it into a curve like this just using Canva in your iPhone. So we're going to try with this text over here. So I'm going to make it curve on the circle. So what we're going to do first is set the location in the center of the circle like this, and then click on the text and see this editing options down below. You have to search for effects option. So I'm going to scroll left a little bit to find effects, and there you go. Just click on effects and then go to shape, and then next click on curve. And now the text is in a curve shape, but it's not the right shape yet, so you have to adjust a little bit. So choose the shape that is best for the circle. You can arrange it like this. Just move the text around and then adjust it again to the center of the circle like this. So I find it in the 47 points like that, and it's just right on the location. So thank you guys for watching. This is how we create a curved text in Canva, and you can just do it in iPhone. So that's all guys. I hope you like this video, and if you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye guys.